Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart's going to look different for you. But my goal here is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking through some, questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So the big dynamic here that's basically played out all weekend long is in regards to that green line that I talked about previously at 10,000. And you can see the price just continually goes down to that level. But to give credit where credit's due, find support. So it all starts and ends with that first question. So let's just use the 20-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 20 hours after I upload it. Question number one becomes nothing fancy at all. Just where's the price at relative to 10,000? Is this area continuing to hold? So in other words, if you're answering the question, well, Clay, actually, it's 20 hours from when you put up the video, but now the price is down below 10,000. At that point, it becomes, okay, well, how far down below it? And then at that point, it's just let gut instincts, common sense guide you, meaning the further down below 10,000, the price is, the more bearish the breakdown has become. The more power the bears now have established. So, if the price is just slightly below it, don't get me wrong, that's not a good sign, but that's much different than if the price is, down at, let's just say, 9,800. That would be a much different situation than, being slightly down below it. So again, the further down below 10,000 the price is, if you're even answering the question that way, the more, ugly, the more bearish the chart has become. Now, maybe you're saying, well, Clay, the price is actually up above 10,000. The next immediate question would be, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 10,500? Meaning, is the price not only above 10,000, but it's also above 10,500? If you're answering yes to that question, well, that would imply that a very nice bounce. Don't get me wrong, there's still be a lot of work that would need to be done, but a very nice bounce. That would imply that not only did 10,000 hold, not only did it bounce back upwards, but it was actually able to gather enough strength to get up above that level. Or maybe you're just saying, well, Clay, the price is still down below 10,500, but it is still up above 10,000. At that point, one word would be used to summarize that current movement, and that would just be consolidation, which is what the price is essentially doing right there. So if that's the case, like I said, one word, consolidation, could summarize that price movement. But all in all, yeah, the chart is definitely sitting at some very interesting areas. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.